Glasklar is a refillable lens cleaning, but it's more than that. It's really a customer retention tool. Customers come in, they're given a free bottle of lens cleaner with their new glasses. Then the practice invites them to come back and refill it for free as often as they like. So you're getting footfall through the practice, hopefully every 3 months or so, rather than the usual 2 years or so. Interestingly, there's always been an environmental element to the refillable side of it. That's become key to a lot of practitioners' decisions now, and we're focusing far more, I think, on the sustainability side of Glasklar as we are on the marketing retention side of Glasklar. A lot of our bottles now have the hashtag refill not landfill. You get a double whammy. You improve your environmental credentials with your customers, and you also get them coming back into your business more often. Most independents, if you ask them the question, how do you get new customers? It's word of mouth. Then you ask them the question, well, how do you ensure you get that word of mouth spread? Most of them don't have any kind of strategy for that. And we talk about Glasklar as being something that they can use, because when they go away with Glasklar, the bottle's branded with their practice details. We've encouraged some practices to give one to the patient and then give them one to give to a family member or friend, because that introduces them to, well, I can go back to this optician and get this refilled, and then I generate some new business from it. This won't guarantee patients come through the door, but I can't think, you can write newsletters, reminder letters, but actually when you run out of solution and you need some more, and you can go back to that practice and refill it, for about £2 a bottle, I can't think of a lower cost way of really trying to get patients through the door. But we have lots of stories of patients who've come in and just to fill their lens cleaner and then walked out with a new pair of sunglasses or spectacles.